Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Let's Go Chatsonic review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new membership tutorial platform that's teaching you how to earn an income with the Chatsonic AI software. And first of all, I'll just quickly show you the product here. And if you're not familiar with Chatsonic, the experts are saying that Chatsonic is 10 times more powerful than ChatGPT. A bit later on in the video, I'm going to go inside the members area and just give you a brief overview there. And then if you want to buy the product and become a member like me, it's $6.95, no monthly membership costs. And then you can become an affiliate and you can promote this training program. And the commissions for promoting as an affiliate range from $6.95 to $718, including recurring payments with the funnel that Dawood has put together. He's a top 10% vendor in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So let's just take it one step at a time. And first of all, go back into the product itself. And if you're not familiar with Chatsonic AI, this is the just googled it here. It says here it's the improved Chat GPT, and within this training course that Dawood has put together, he covers the differences. One of the main differences is that Chat GPT is only current up to the year 2021, and this is Chatsonic here, and it's current and up to date, and has a lot more features, several more features than what Chat GPT has. And it's also, even though there's an upgraded option, you can get huge benefits from just using the free version, which is what I've been using. So let's have a look at the product itself. So there'll be a link in the description. It'll take you to a page like this, and there'll be a short 5-minute overview from Dawood himself, and you'll see here what you're going to get with this product. It says here, he's saying that it's making money a whole lot easier. Discover the 5 best easy ways to make money using the all-new Chatsonic. It works in any niche, so it's not just the make money online niche. Anyone can do this. It's beginner friendly, so if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, you'll see here that anyone can do this. It's newbie friendly. There's no list required. The possibilities are endless, and never be short of the correct prompts to ever use again. If you're not sure what a prompt is, you're not familiar with prompts. Prompts are just a question, or just what you put into Ask GPT. What you ask Chatsonic to perform for you. So that's the terminology used for prompts. So let's just go down here and show you the price. The price is a one-time $6.95. There's no monthly membership costs if you get the front-end product here. And with that, so I think what Dower's done is made it very affordable. He wanted to make it affordable so people can start to learn how to use this, how to use Chatsonic. Go into the members area, and the first thing that you get in the members area is a welcome video from Dawood himself. And you go down here onto the overview, and then he gives you an overview of Chatsonic. And what I like in the main training section here, in the introduction to training, he sort of explains exactly this video here. Is a reasonable lengthy video. What Chatsonic is, you can join it there. And I like here what he's done is he's done a video that explains the differences between ChatGPT and Chatsonic. You can click on there just to open your Chatsonic account. So there are lots of enhanced features within Chatsonic, and Dawood covers those very, very well. And then what he's done, I'm not going to go and show you what these money methods are, because you've got to buy the product yourself to, like I did, to get access to see what these money methods are. I would get in trouble by Dawood if I was showing you exactly what they are. But there's 5 different money methods in here with video tutorials that he goes through and shows you how to monetize Chatsonic. There are other resources and some more goodies down here. Special squeeze pages, regular squeeze pages. There's a conclusion here. There's some upgrades. So if you want to upgrade and get more benefits, that's optional and not compulsory. There's also some more bonuses here, free products every month, and then some unadvertised bonuses there. So all in all, I really think great value at $6.95 for this product. There's a support ticket here if you have any problems. Dawood's very active within support. So that's what you get as a member. Let me show you now if you want to become a member and you want to promote this offer as an affiliate. And you'll see here that Dawood is a top 10% vendor, an elite vendor. He's also a top 25% affiliate, an elite affiliate, and he's had 8 of his offers featured in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So he's a 6-figure earner. So he's very good at what he does. And if we go into products here, so as an affiliate, all you do is you go onto here to get your affiliate link. I've got mine there already. And then he's put 14 products into this funnel. So the front end product, like I just shown you there, you would earn 100% commissions on that one. So he's been very kind there to 100% commissions. And then he's got a range of products here, ranging from $5, $27, $15, $47. So he's got a range of products, and he also promotes his Elite Academy. And his Elite Academy is a monthly recurring product. So if one of your referrals went through this funnel and joined Dawood's Elite Academy, you would be earning 3 monthly payments on that one of $497 per month. So there's that recurring payment there if any of your members did that. So there's plenty of opportunity there to get your money back, to get your $6.95. One referral will get you 100% commission, and then you've got your money back. And then if you want to promote, there's plenty of opportunities there with this done for you funnel to get into profit as an affiliate promoting this offer. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody who'll get value from this video or would be interested in Chatsonic, then please share the video as well. If you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Let's Go Chatsonic, the product, or if you have any questions about Chatsonic itself, then please leave those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And if you want to contact me direct through email, then I'll put my email address in the description as well. So the link in the description will take you to this page here, and there's 5 bonuses on this page as well. So I just recommend watching this video first. It lasts 5 minutes. Go through the information on the page, and then if you want to learn how to monetize Chatsonic, then I do recommend this product. And coming down here gives you a lot more information and testimonies, etc. on there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.